Ever wondered which iPhone 17 Pro Max cases are truly worth your money? Today, we're diving into the ones that deliver real value, style, protection, and everyday comfort. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget all product links are in the description for you to grab your favorite with ease. The number 3 product on our list is VRS Design Damda Glide Pro. The VRS Design Damda Glide Pro redefines what a protective case can be by combining rugged defense with wallet-like convenience. Its semi-automatic sliding compartment easily stores 3 to 4 cards plus cash, eliminating the hassle of carrying extra bulk. Built with a durable TPU body and reinforced metal base bar, it delivers shock absorption that inspires peace of mind during drop. The sliding mechanism isn't just functional, it feels smooth, premium, and reliable for everyday use. While slimmer cases focus only on style, this one prioritizes real-world comfort and utility. It's perfect for those who demand protection with practicality, offering the freedom to travel lighter without compromising safety. Compared to minimalist cases, it adds more weight, but that trade-off brings unmatched convenience. For people asking which iPhone 17 Pro Max cases are worth every penny, this one confidently earns its place with versatility, durability, and smart everyday functionality. On number 2 is SUPCASE Heavy Duty Magnetic. The SUPCASE Heavy Duty Magnetic is built for those who refuse to compromise between strength and functionality. With its TPU plus PC hybrid structure and 4-corner airbag design, it has been drop-tested from 15 feet, proving it can take real-world punishment with ease. What sets it apart is the powerful N52 magnet, locking into MagSafe accessories with a grip that feels unshakable, while the built-in aluminum kickstand adds hands-free convenience for streaming or video calls. The elevated bezels offer peace of mind against scratches, and the textured anti-slip grip ensures it won't slip out during a busy day. Compared to sleeker cases, this one adds bulk, but that bulk translates into bulletproof confidence. For anyone evaluating which iPhone 17 Pro Max cases are worth every penny, this case hits the sweet spot of rugged defense, magnetic precision, and everyday practicality. It's the definition of protection meeting purpose in one powerful package. Now moving to the last one is UAG MagSafe Protective. The UAG MagSafe Protective case is built for people who want confidence in every drop without sacrificing convenience. With its sculpted corners and military-grade protection tested up to 20 feet, this case instantly removes the fear of accidental slips. The integrated metal kickstand is a game-changer, giving you effortless hands-free viewing for calls, movies, or work meetings. Its strong MagSafe module locks onto chargers and accessories seamlessly, making daily use feel smooth and reliable. Oversized tactile buttons add a crisp, responsive feel, while raised bezels shield both screen and camera from scratches. Compared to slimmer options, it does add a little bulk, but that trade-off means bulletproof durability. For anyone weighing which iPhone 17 Pro Max cases are worth every penny, this one makes a strong case with its mix of rugged design, everyday functionality, and magnetic reliability. It feels like carrying peace of mind in your pocket every single day. Among all, the winner is SUPCASE Heavy Duty Magnetic because it balances extreme drop protection, MagSafe strength, and everyday convenience in one reliable case. So guys, this was the video about which iPhone 17 Pro Max cases are worth every penny. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.